You're welcome to day 83 of Copywriter Alex High Income Digital Skill of Copywriting 100 Days Masterclass. I am Alex. I am a copywriter, a psychologist, a PhD research candidate, and a business and organizational development consultant. If you need the consulting services of a professional copywriter for your products and services, for your startups, for your businesses and organizations, for your direct response copywriting, for your brand copywriting, for your SEO copywriting, for your technical copywriting, for your email copywriting, for your social media copywriting, for your ad copywriting, for your sales page copywriting, for your products copywriting, for your creative copywriting, for your B2B, business to business copywriting, for your B2C, business to customer copywriting, for your thought leadership copywriting, for your website copywriting, for your video script copywriting. Do well to contact me on this WhatsApp number +2347044994057, and I'll be glad to write exponential copies that will create massive conversions, drive revenue, and increase the profit margin of your business, products, and services. Thank you. Today, we'll be handling a topic titled Copywriting Case Studies and Analysis. Copywriting Case Studies and Analysis. Introduction to copywriting case studies and analysis. Now, copywriting is both an art and a science. And one of the best ways to master it is by studying real-world examples of successful and sometimes unsuccessful campaigns. This lecture explores various copywriting case studies, analyzing the techniques used, their effectiveness, and lessons to apply in your own copy. Why study copywriting case studies? Why do we need to study copywriting case studies? Number one is understanding what works. It helps you to understand what works. Case studies helps identify patterns in successful campaigns. Number two is learning from mistakes. You're analyzing failures prevents you from making the same errors. Number three is applying proven strategies. Copywriting formulas and frameworks become clearer through real examples. Number four is adapting to different industries. Case studies show how copy adapts for different audiences and sectors. Number five is inspiring creativity. Real world campaigns provide insights that fuel fresh ideas. Case study one, Apple's Think Different campaign. Background. In 1997, Apple was struggling with sales. Sales were down, and the brands lacked a strong identity. The Think Different campaign, developed by TBWA Charts Day, aimed to reposition Apple as an innovative leader. Key copywriting elements used. Number one is emotional storytelling. The ad paid tribute to revolutionary thinkers like Einstein and Gandhi. The next thing is minimalist copy. Here is to the crazy ones, what short but powerful. The next thing is brand positioning. Apple aligned itself with visionary, appealing to creative professionals. The impact. Apple was a resurgence in brand perception, sets the stage for the launch of the iMac and later the iPhone, reinforced Apple as an innovative leader. Lesson learned. Great copywriting isn't just about selling, it's about creating an emotional connection. Case study 2. Dollar Shave Club viral video scripts. Background. Dollar Shave Club launched with hilarious direct response video that went viral in 2012. The goal was to disrupt the razor market dominated by Gillette. Key copywriting elements used. Conversational tool. The script was casual, fun, and engaging. Clear value proposition. Our blades are great was bold and memorable. The next thing is humor and relatability. Address pain points, overpriced results with call to action. The video directly told viewers what to do next. The impact it had: 3,000 new customers within 48 hours, led to $1 billion acquisition by Unilever, established a direct-to-consumer model in personal care. Entertaining and direct copy can be more persuasive than the traditional advertising. Case study 3. Nike's Just Do It slogan. Background. Nike was a strong athlete brand in the 1980s, but needed unifying messages for all sports. Key copywriting elements used. Simple and powerful slogan. Just do it is universal. It's easy to remember and motivational. The next thing is emotional appeal. The phrase speaks to everyone from beginners to elite athletes. The next thing is psychological trigger. Encourage action without overcomplicating the message. The next thing is impact. Help Nike dominate the global sportswear industry. Increase sales from $877 million to $9.2 billion within a decade. The next thing is still in the use today, proving its longevity. Lesson: a short, impactful phrase can define a brand for decades. Case study 4. MailChimp. Did you mean MailChimp campaign background? MailChimp, an email marketing service, wanted to increase brand awareness with a fun, engaging campaigns. Key copywriting elements used playful wordplay, created fake brands like MailShrimp and MailCrimp to engage audience. Viral marketing encouraged social media sharing and curiosity. Indirect branding, subtle reinforced MailChimp name without traditional impact. Millions of organic impression, increased brand recall significantly, strengthened MailChimp's quickie brand personality. Okay, study 5. Harry's Razor launch, direct to consumer success. Background: Harry's, another razor blade brand, needed to compete with Gillette's and Dollar Shave Club. Key copywriting elements used: pre-launch referral program, gave users incentive to refer friends before the official launch. Clear messaging, focus on quality, affordability, and convenience. Personal storytelling, founders shared their journey to connect with customers. Impact: gained 100,000 email signups before launch, created early buzz without traditional ads, built a loyal customer base from day one. Case study 4. The Got Milk campaign. The Got Milk campaign. Milk consumption in the US was declining, so the California milk processor board launched Got Milk in 1993. Key copywriting elements used: question formats, made consumers think about milk's role in their daily lives. FOMO, fear of missing out, showed people struggling with milk. Cultural impact, the slogan became a pop cultural reference. Impact boosted milk sales after years of decline. Used by brands and celebrities for decades, became one of the most iconic ad campaigns. Lessons: a simple, relatable question can relate massive brand recognition. So, in conclusion, in conclusion, studying case studies helps you understand what makes copy effective, whether it's emotional appeal, humor, clarity, or strategic messaging. These real-world examples provide invaluable lessons for crafting compelling copy. By applying these insights, you can create copy that not only grabs attention, but also drives action and builds lasting brand loyalty, and also that drives conversion. So the essence of this is when you study case studies, you will to understand the structures, the technicality, the mechanisms used in structuring a copy, and it will help you to write your own copy. If you have questions, do what to ask me in the comment section. If you need a copy of my ebook titled Words That Win, Motivates and Converts, Mastering the Psychology of Field Copywriting, do what to copyright copywriter Alex with your hashtag, and I will send you a link to download my ebook. If you want to join a more elaborate community where I teach copywriting in a more elaborate form, join my WhatsApp, Telegram, and TikTok community using the link in the comment section. Then we'll meet in other places where I go live to teach copywriting. Do well to like, comment, and share this video for others to learn what you've learned. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class. I remain Alex.